wanted to be the first human outside of an aircraft breaking the sound barrier.
Okay, here we go, Felix.
First 25 seconds, it looked like everything's under control.
But what happened next changed everything.
I was mentally prepared to spin, but I was hoping that I'm not gonna spin. At that moment, it's not about breaking records anymore. At that moment, it's all about survival. There's only one way for the blood to leave your skull, and that's through all the eyeballs. If that happens, you're gonna die.
He was rotating at hundreds of miles per hour and losing control, but in the end, he survived the spin.
You look at the sky, it's blue now. The very first time after hours and hours inside that spacesuit that I'm breathing regular air. Even the landing worked just perfect.